You need an effective jackhammer that doesn't break the budget? This is the jackhammer for you. Our son, who's a fencing contractor, recently bought this jackhammer from off Amazon for $209, and he actually likes it a lot. He said it does really well as far as breaking down rock, and so we're going to put it to the test today. It comes with a spade bit and a four-pointed bit as well. It comes with work gloves and safety goggles. So we'll go ahead and put this hammer to the test and see what it does. To install the bit on these, there's a slotted area right on the hex. So what you're going to do is insert the bit flat down, and then there's a lever down here. You just rotate that 180 degrees, and the bit is locked in. We're just going to plug it in and see how it does. All right, this rock that's down here, of course, it's right in the string line, and we tried to auger it and push the auger to the side. So we're going to give this thing a shot and see what it does. And there's a red switch on the top, which is pretty handy. We're just going to switch that on. And that's some hard Arizona rock right there. The unit does have a little weight with it, and that's what you should absolutely expect with a jackhammer. You don't want a light, flimsy thing that's not going to do the job for you. This obviously just blew right through that rock. It does seem to want to spool up a bit and before it starts hitting sometimes. What I mean by spooling is sometimes it has to build up a little bit of pressure before it starts hammering. I know that other electric jackhammers will do the same thing. Sometimes you have to lay them down prior to use and let them run for a little bit. As soon as I turned it on, it started whacking, and then it kind of settled down, and I just jabbed it in on the rock and it just started hammering it out. So overall, for 200 bucks, awesome. I've been waiting to break this rock up for a long time. I got this piece of gold ore. It's a lot of iron in it, and I've been wanting to break it. I tried it with the sledgehammer, and I'm telling you, this thing is super hard. It's super heavy, so I'm going to bust her up. That's hard. Let's try it on the ground. We'll have the link down below for the jackhammer. For the price, it's like half the price of a lot of other jackhammers you find. And it does the job. It'll take on rock, concrete, no problems. It took on this rock, and this rock is extremely hard. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, give us a holler, and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching DIY on the House.